officially move out season. Submitted my film final. It is officially move out season. I have to move out in less than a week. And on top of that, it is also finals week. I don't know how I'm going to balance everything. I have laundry to do and I am flying next Friday to Taiwan. I have 2 finals. One is on a Wednesday, one is Thursday morning, and my flight is Friday midnight. Here is how it will play out, I guess. I have no idea how this is gonna go, but... So I started off easy by taking down the decorations next to my bed. I just took off all of my picture and like bed decor, and it feels so empty. Like it's just empty. Also, major life hack is to get these IKEA bags. They're like this big and they can actually fit a lot. I was able to fit all my clothes in this one bag last year. I sorted out the clothes I want to keep for summer and then the clothes I want to stay here. So I'm gonna put all of this inside and then also put my pajamas and like taekwondo stuff inside my bag. This is my progress so far. Matcha latte. It's good. Whoa, it's good. Surely you'll like it. The cafe was way too loud, but here I was basically talking about my plan for studying for stats. I really needed to get started because my exam is on Thursday, so I took some time to go over all the slides. Submitted my film final. Now I can finally start studying for my math class. I also got a free ice cream. It's so nice. Whoa, it's so good. It's so like rich. Almost 10. I'm going to go to our dining hall soon because our dining hall opens up at around 10 to 2 a.m. for us to go and study. It's like a study space. I have 3 more days until the exam. So my exam is on Thursday, but it is Thursday morning and I have a Wednesday afternoon final. So I won't have that much time to study beforehand. I don't know.
Wait, it's so embarrassing.
I'm gonna final screen.
Oh god.
3, 2, 1. I just came back from office hours for my math exam. I want to take a break from studying. I am packing up my tech drawer so that I can start working on my desk because I feel like my desk is the most intimidating.
Doesn't matter if it's Sunday 鏡よ鏡よこの世で一番変わることのない愛をくれるのは誰 No need to ask cause it's my darling Bruh
It is 12:30. Technically it's Wednesday, so I mean I have my first final today. And I'm going to put on this face mask. It's a snail mask sheet. It is Wednesday night and tomorrow is my last final. In regards to packing, I feel like I am on track. I feel like if I get back home tomorrow after lunch, I'm able to pack everything up. I'll be getting back to studying. I'm done with finals! Yay! Let's start packing and cleaning.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear?
It is an hour and a half later and I just cleaned out my food drawer. I still have a few items on my desk that I need to pack up. I need to wash my last load of laundry over there. Packed everything up. Oh, it's everything. This is joy. Flight is in 10 hours, but I'm going to the airport a little bit earlier because it's LAX. Yeah! Just kidding. No! So empty. I am at the airport and I just got my food. I got a chicken fried rice. Looks a little bit lopsided. It looks better in real life.